Here we have two Android phones, and the question is how to adjust the volume of your ringtone. That's a Samsung and that's an LG. The LG has, if you swipe down, it has a slider here, and the speaker icon is the ringtone, because if I go here it says which one is which. So which has a speaker icon, that's the ringtone. Okay, so I can make it only vibrate, silent, or more loud, but the question is how to do it on the Samsung, because if I swipe down there is no slider here. There is something here, but that's the brightness of your screen. Well, in this case you have to press the buttons on the side, so it has a volume up and a volume down, those two buttons. Press any of those and voila, ringtone. Make it a bit more silent, a bit more loud, or put it to vibration mode only. If you swipe down again, there is not there, so press a button, any of those, and you can adjust the ringtone.